and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Canva images not loading. If your Canva images is not loading, what you can do is firstly you can check your mobile Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. After you turn it on, turn it off. And now I'm going to tap on device settings. After you tap on device settings, tap on apps, app management. After you tap on app management, tap on the search bar and start typing Canva. Tap on Canva. After you tap on Canva, you will see storage uses. Tap on storage uses. After you tap on storage uses, what next you can do is tap on clear cache. After you clear cache, next what you can do is update the app. You can update the app from Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on update, and after you update the app, what next you can do is reinstall the app. Press the Canva app and tap on uninstall. After you uninstall, to reinstall it, tap on Google Play Store and install it. And lastly, what else you can do is you can use this from web browser also. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.